Hello, Mike. Welcome to my channel once again today.
Hi, and thank you once more.
Well, today I will ask you a few questions on blogging. There are plenty of people who think that blogging is waste of time or they think that there is hardly any income to earn. So let's clear those lingering doubts of many people. Is blogging a good idea?
Blogging is absolutely still relevant in 2022. In fact, roughly 409 million internet users read about 20 billion blog pages monthly. This is why 53% marketers give priority to blogging as their primary content marketing strategy. Furthermore, blogging continues to flourish with a 12% increase in the last 5 years.
What is the future of blogging?
The future of blogging lies in social media content because it helps to get more followers. Hence, a blogger should know how to use his or her content for social media purposes with more attention.
What is replacing blogging?
Blogging hasn't died. It simply evolved into something bigger than itself. It's a part of a bigger picture, one called content marketing.
Well, let me ask you, what is the most popular blog topics?
The most popular blog topics 2020 edition, health and fitness blog. A hot blog for those who are focused on fitness is the health and fitness blogs. Then comes DIY blogging. Then comes sports focused blogs. Then comes finance related blogs. Then blogs about politics. Then fashion blogging, food and recipe blogs and travel blogs.
Okay, tell me, is blogging still profitable?
Blogging has been and continues to be highly profitable for many bloggers who understand keyword research and competition analysis and publish 2 or more pieces of quality content consistently every week until a site reaches approximately 200 articles.
Well, okay then, what kind of blog is profitable?
Types of blogs that make money are fashion, food, sports, travel, lifestyle, parenting, gaming, B2B/marketing.
Okay, so what percent of blogs make money?
Well, you have heard that you can make money in blogging. And it is true, you can. But only 5% of bloggers earn a full-time income from their blogs.
Is blogging a good career?
Of course, blogging seems like a great career. Being a professional blogger is like being your own boss, flexible schedules, and moreover, you can do blogging wherever you want. All you need is a laptop and a network.
Okay, let me ask you, is blogging a real job?
Blogging can be a hobby, a way to build your brand or a line on your resume that can help you land a job. But did you know that it can be a job too? While the majority of blogs are personal platforms, Technorate estimates that up to 39% of bloggers do it for money.
Well, then how do bloggers get paid?
Who pays the bloggers? In most cases, the ad network a blogger is associated with pays the blogger a monthly income. Occasionally, brands will reach out directly to a blogger to place an ad on the blog. In that case, the brand would negotiate a rate and pay the blogger directly.
Wow, that is great. By the way, who is the richest blogger?
Richest bloggers in the world and how much they earn. Well, let me tell you, Arianna Huffington, HuffingtonPost.com earns 250 million per year. Then you have team sites, TimothySites.com, and his earnings is 120 millions per year. Then you have Peter Rogers and Gadget.com, that is $50 million per year. Then you have Paris Hilton, ParisHilton.com, that is 40 million per year.
Wow, that is so great. Well, how fast can I make money from a blog?
It takes an average 1 year to bring in substantial money from blogging. The key word is substantial. For example, the founder of Niche Pursuits, Spencer Hawes, says, "It took me 4 months before I made an income from my website. But once I started to make an income, the earnings took off pretty quick."
Well, this question is for you, my friend, you, the one who's watching this video. Do you have any more questions for me? Please leave your comments below and I will give you an update.
Thank you for watching this video. Take care and bye-bye.
Yes, see you again with another video very soon. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you are updated regularly. Bye-bye.